So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Danse Lente Josh, which is a bag in Danse Lente's new collection. I can't believe I'm saying this, but Danse Lente actually gifted this bag to me. It's a really long story, but essentially I had a hardware issue with the Mini Phoebe, which I bought back in September 2018. I'll just show you that one now. So here it is, and basically there was an issue with one of the rings. There was a lot of back and forth between me and Farfetch, who I bought the bag from. Long story short, it's all fixed now. I did post some comments on a video I filmed reviewing this bag when I did have the hardware issue. Danse Lente saw the caption or comments I'd written where I'd said that I had had some issues with the Mini Phoebe and got in touch with me, which to be honest was totally amazing. I mean, I'm a tiny channel, I think I have 9 subscribers as of now. So to be offered one of their new styles to help change my perception of the brand was amazing. Although this bag was gifted, all of the opinions in this video are my own. This video is not sponsored, it's not paid. I mean, who would sponsor this video? I don't know. My Danse Lente arrived in the post yesterday, so here's a clip of me unboxing the bag. A really exciting parcel just arrived in the post. Why are you filming? Oh, he's just taken a photo of me because you find this hilarious. Ooh. So it has come in this beautiful white box with Danse Lente London on the front, and it opens up like this, and inside there is the beautiful quilted dust bag. I always feel like I'd like to sleep in here. Is that weird? Probably. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful colour. That leather smells so amazing as well. Before I do an up close of the bag and show you the many ways in which you can wear it, I thought I'd just show you what it actually fits inside. I've got the bag cinched in, and I'll go into this in more detail in a moment, but it holds an awful lot. The first thing I've got is my iPhone XS, which is a very large phone, and that fits no problem. I've also got a water bottle. This is a 260ml Chili's bottle, and that fits perfectly, which is amazing because I love carrying this around with me. Next, I have my makeup bag, Oyster card. One of my favourite features of the bag is this lovely key ring you get inside where you can attach your keys. So I've just attached a Louis Vuitton pouch. I'm now going to show you the bag in a little bit more detail. Oh, it's a bit awkward, here we go. So on the front you have the gorgeous Danse Lente logo in gold foiling, and then you have the chunky statement D on the front of the bag. The bag has contrast stitching, which is immaculate. This is the Josh bag in a ginger, which is in between an orange and a tan. I was actually really pleasantly surprised when this bag arrived because on the website I was expecting the bag to be a bit more orangey, and I actually love the fact that it is definitely a tan, but a real orangey tan. This bag also comes with the gold hardware. Some of the other styles have silver hardware. The base of the bag is not a complete circle, it has a flat edge at the bottom, and then on the back there are 2 gold D-rings and the strap attaches. One of my favourite things about this bag is the many different ways you can wear it. The first way you can wear it is with the sides cinched in like so. I actually took this bag out for the first time to London yesterday. I did a whole day out, and I was really surprised at how comfortable it was to wear like this. I think it's because the handle is so thick and padded that it really is super comfortable. The second way you can wear this bag is to convert it from a top handle bag to a shoulder bag. You just unclip the clasp and it lengthens out the strap, which means you can put it over one shoulder. So I'll just show you. How cute is that? Really cool. I was actually, again, very surprised at how comfortable this was. When I usually wear a bag over one shoulder, I find I have to be like this to stop the bag from slipping. The final way to wear this bag is to uncinch the top to make it more of a square. As you can see, I've uncinched the sides and opened the bag up at the top, which gives a lovely square look. I think it makes it look a little bit like a satchel, which I love. And again, I wouldn't be too worried about people putting their hands in. These are really, really small gaps. I couldn't even fit my finger in anyway. So inside it has a lovely beige lining and it is just one big bucket. There are no pockets, but it does have this lovely Danse Lente keyring. Took this bag out for a day trip into London yesterday and I was so surprised at how much this bag could hold, how lightweight and comfortable it was, particularly to wear as a top handle bag. And also just how unusual and beautiful it is. I really hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you. I'm thinking of filming a what's in my work bag video with my Louis Vuitton Neverfull next, so if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. Thank you.